back to my channel. I know it has been such a long time since I posted a last video, but for those of you who are new, my name is Alejandra and I have a clean with me video today. I have a very messy first floor and I have a new seat mop that I want to show you guys or give you guys a review first time trying it out. But I do want to give you guys a peek at my dirty, very dirty first floor. My husband's been working on some stuff that we had done on the ceiling. We got some lights put up, so he was covering some stuff, so there's a whole mess there. My kitchen is a mess. I don't even know how it gets like that. It's 2 of us. I only cook for 2 people, but it looks like I cooked for 10, so I need to work on that. But let me go ahead and show you guys. All right, so this is the view from the door. Dining area, not too bad, but I have a lash table here that does not belong there, so I gotta get rid of that. And then look at my family room. It is looking like a hot mess. And that couch is supposed to be flipped the other way. Like I said, husband was working on like roof stuff, so whatever. And then my kitchen, oh my God. So this counter, I can never keep it clean. My husband always puts shit all over and in the kitchen. If I give you guys a close-up of those dishes, you guys are gonna be like, girl, what is wrong with you? But yes, it needs to get clean. So let's get to cleaning, and in 3, 2, 1. All right, so here I'm washing the dish rack, and one trick I do all the time is add a splash of my Mrs. Meyer's I believe it's like lemon smell to my soap, so my dishes can also smell good and get cleaned at the same time. Alright, so I really quickly moved to my stove and I'm putting away some stuff around there. I just showed you guys some what I would consider a flour tortilla, but it is only 3 carbs. I'm no longer doing keto, but I still want to keep my carbs down. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my stove with some dish soap, Dawn, and a spray of bleach, Clorox bleach, and just wipe it down. It wasn't too grimy or dirty, so it was fairly clean, easy to clean today. When cleaning my kitchen, my main chemical or supplies that I use are my microfiber towels, like the little green one that you see there, and my bleach container. I disinfect everything, especially even more now with this whole pandemic. I want to have everything clean, because even when you go to the grocery store, you clean your vegetables, but you also need to clean where you set them down first. Alright, so here I'm showing you guys that plastic container. That's actually a cover for when you put food in your microwave. It helps from the radiation not hitting your food directly, and also it helps you keep your microwave clean, because if something pops in there, it doesn't go all over the place and you can just clean that top. Here I'm just going ahead and clean my countertop and my chairs. It is very important to keep those clean. They are suede, so it is a little bit harder to keep them clean. And I did spritz around my favorite spray that I picked up from Target. I can go ahead and link it down below. And now we are going ahead and vacuuming. I gave up on the broom, and this Dyson is now my holy grail. I literally use it for everything and anything in my house, and to vacuum the cars, everything. It's amazing.
Alright guys, so like I showed you guys on my Instagram today, I got my steam mop. This is the first time I ever use a steam mop, so I'm excited to try it out. Several YouTube videos And honestly, I was through with the regular mop. So it comes with one mop thing. I thought it came with two. A water container. So it does come with two. This is the actual mop thing. It's a hard piece here. And this one is an extra one. According to the instructions, both sides, you can use both sides. Use the bottom, flip it, use the other side, then wash it. You have a spare one. And let's see how this works. Only like 60 bucks on Amazon, so hopefully it works. Deep cleaning removes everyday dirt and grime. Fast drying, powerful steam, dries quickly. Swivel steering, easy to maneuver into tight corners and around furniture. Let's see about that. Okay, and before I start, let me show you guys my floor. It is hideous. So I purposely did not mop my floors this past weekend so that I can show you guys how dirty it is. Oh, and it's already steaming. I don't know if you guys can hear it. The kitchen looks clean, the floor. We are all done here. The cord is pretty long, as you guys can tell. I plugged it all the way over there. And the mop is all the way over here, and it still has extra cord. But look at these floors. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try my hardwood floors. It's plugged in my living room now. And remember, I showed you guys those white spots on the floor. Let's see if it'll take that out. That will tell me if it's good or not. Just kidding. It did pretty good in my kitchen. All right, so come on. Look at all those white markings on the floor. And let me go through it. I'm gonna start right here. Do you see that right there? All that? Okay, Shark Steam Mop, I see you. So that side is done. This side is not. See how it looks a little bit more polished? Look, it's a little bit darker on this side and it's a little more dual on this side. So, thumbs up. Alright guys, so this concludes me cleaning my first floor, kitchen and living room. And look at my floors. My floors are not shiny, and I don't intend them to be shiny, but that really came through. I can literally see the light reflection, and usually it looks very dusty even though I go over it with the Swiffer. But clean home equals happy me. And you guys, I still have not received my damn couches. It's been 4 weeks. They said I would get them at 4 weeks and they're still not here. But whatever, I understand it's because of the pandemic. So we have our cute little couch still, and this is it. And let's give a little run through.
I am obsessed when this house looks so clean. I'm in love with these stools. Everything else looks spotless. I just gotta take that trash out.
Super clean, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm proud of those $60 I invested in that thing. And then I want to buy a cuter fruit holder, but I don't know what to put. Give me ideas down below. I switched over my decor cutting board and my little wooden spoons. Those remind me of my dad when I cook, so I knew I needed to have some in my home. And then the rest of the kitchen is clean. And dining area has been over there. and we are done. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this clean with me. I literally broke a sweat trying to mop my whole first floor. It doesn't look that big on camera, but it's pretty big, well, at least when you're mopping. So thank you guys for joining me. If you have any questions of the stuff that I used, I'll go ahead and leave links below. Usually Target, Walmart, you know, regular Hispanic grocery store I purchase things from. The mop was from Amazon, and a lot of the decor stuff is from HomeGoods. If you have questions about anything, leave your questions down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at stylesbymisale. And if you have questions about my outfit for today, the t-shirt and the biker shorts are from vivebonita.com. You can follow our Instagram at vivebonitashop. We have a whole bunch of new stuff, and please go ahead and check out our website. It is freshly relaunched. So any comments on that, also leave them down below. Let me know if you guys have anything specific that you guys want me to film. I know it had been some time, but I'm finally back, and I really hope to be more consistent with my videos. And you guys stay safe, stay home, and have a good one. Bye.